Hey guys, it's me Marcelo or Zipaga, whatever you like to call me, and today we are going to be unboxing Garon. Yeah, it's been a long time since I uploaded. I don't know if this is gonna be the first video where I uploaded back from my quote unquote break. I don't know if it's a break, but like I'm on school, high school, all that stuff. I am working on a video. I just recorded a video like weeks ago, months ago, whatever. And it's going to be edited. I don't know if this one's going to be edited. It's highly going to be edited. I think it's highly likely it's going to be edited. I believe so. But yeah, I worked on like two videos. One of them went bad. The other I'm still editing. My brother's teaching me. So yeah, you gotta thank him on that. But yeah. This is the action figure SH Figuarts Earth Garon. It is from the show Ultraman Blazers. And the show looks cool. It looks awesome. I kind of gave it a try, just kind of like 1 minute, to be honest, because school time. I was watching it on school. Whoa, you know, I was watching it on lunch, and then whoa, like they're like, okay, lunch is done, and then I go, leave, do some work. But hey, this looks awesome. This looks cool. Picture. Look at that. I bet it's saying his articulation. I bet over here it's probably saying emergency. Over here is probably saying the information of how he poses and all that stuff. He looks pretty cool. I'm gonna say that he might be the first kaiju character to actually pose like that because I haven't seen any other kaiju character. Ooh, hey, ages 15 and up. If you're 14, you can't buy it. Lo siento. I'm just kidding. Like, you're able to buy it, but like if you're like 3 years old or whatever, yeah, no, don't do it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I am going to watch it or whatever. I'm gonna watch it. Just not now. I'm gonna first watch Shin Ultraman and then have some fun. I have the action figure of Shin Ultraman, but I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do like a little comparison. If you guys want me to do a toy review, I will do it in a fun way. I hope in a fun way. But yeah, this seems pretty cool. This is like Ultraman's Mechagodzilla, but having a Kiryu design, a Kiryu-like design. So we should go ahead and open it. I hope I don't break the box. Have you seen the new trailer? Well, I shouldn't say new because it came out like last year, I think, or the beginning of this year. Oh dear God, I hope it is good. I don't know. I shouldn't say new, but it is gonna be new later on this year, whatever. Sorry, I just don't want to rip the box. I don't want to like mess it up. There we go. Ultraman Rising, the new animated Ultraman film. I want to say first animated film, but I don't know the history of Ultraman. Even though I really like Ultraman, my grandmother used to watch Ultraman. That's like her childhood stuff. Why is it being a difficult time? Oh dear God. Did I rip it? Did I open it? Did I break it? I hope not. There we go. Why you have to be like a difficult person, hey? Okay. Hey, this looks fun and pretty cool. Look at this. Check this out. Ooh, hey, eye parts, as I can see. Yeah, I noticed a thing about Earth Garon is that he's like, I should say, a live action anime character. Like, okay, he wasn't based off an anime or whatever, I think, as I know. Maybe I might be wrong. I don't know the history of Ultraman Blazar, but if you could see closely in the eyes, right here, you can see there are some stuff. Right, focus. There you go. Right, we got the happy eyes. You see right here, the hurt eyes. You're like spinning around, whatever. Possessed eyes, as I saw in the scene, and the angry eyes. Right now, what we see with him, he's just got the normal eyes, the pretty cool looking eyes. I'm not. Just little spoilers. I'm not gonna use any of these eyes. All right, I won't, cause I don't know. I don't think it's really necessary. But hey, Here you are. Yeah, another spoiler. I am going to be doing stop motions with Earth Garon because I think this guy looked cool. Of course, I'm going to be doing stop motions tests. I might send them to YouTube. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Who knows? I'm going to try my best to do a lot of stop motions as I can this year. But, yeah. Now let's get started. My brother is lucky enough to get the Batman. SH Figuarts the Batman. Yeah, we are planning to do like a little stop motion. We're both planning to kind of do like a little crossover where like it's like this time not in a city world or whatever. It's like Earth Garon versus the Batman, but like in a toy world, kind of like Toy Story. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this started, baby boy. Look at that. Look at that. Wait, hold on. Yeah, look at that shot. Look how cool he is. Oh wait. Oh, this thing took off. Oh my god. So, how about let's start doing some comparisons? You know? I got the two action figures, you know. Just only two Toho related stuff. As I said before, Mayfex Shin Ultraman. Oh, sorry. I had it good before. Now it sucks. Now, there we go. Mayfex Shin Ultraman. I will watch the movie. It is free on YouTube right now. Thank God. But, you know, I'm going to watch it with my brother because he's also now an Ultraman fan. I will do a stop motion with Shin Ultraman and Earth Garon, but it's going to be like it's either choose... I'm choosing either Ultraman fighting Earth Garon or Earth Garon and Ultraman working together, as I saw in the box. But it's highly might gonna be Ultraman fighting Earth Garon. But hey, you know, hey, I might do it actually. You know, maybe a 2-part series or whatever. You know, and as you can see, I'm gonna show you guys again in the box. Right here. There is a new design of Ultraman, and I have mixed feelings with it. All right, in my opinion, I have mixed feelings. It's like I find the blue flames pretty cool, but I also find like I don't know, I don't like the design a little bit. In the future, I will buy, or I might buy, I don't know, but I think I will. Hopefully, I will buy SH Figuarts, you know, Ultraman Rising action figure, you know. But hey, who knows? I might do it. I will do a movie review of Ultraman Rising by the time it comes out. I'll be happy to watch it and stuff like that. I would say it's gonna be my second Ultraman thing to watch, or maybe third. No, third. I forgot about the Ultraman anime. But yeah. Boop boop. Next up, we got Godzilla from Godzilla vs. Kong. SH Figuarts Godzilla. Right. I think I forgot to say the action figure name. This is Mayfex Ultraman. Mafex. You know? Mayfex Ultraman. Right here. Yeah, hello. Alright. Let's get to compared. I will be doing another spoiler. I will be doing a Godzilla stop motion of him fighting Earth Garon. Maybe a stop motion series, right? My plan is to buy first Haya Toys Evolved Godzilla. You know, the new Godzilla action figure that's gonna like come out this year, November maybe. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. But my plan is to do Haya Toys Godzilla versus SH Figuarts Earth Garon, right? But I might be impatient, so I might actually do Godzilla versus Earth Garon. But I will do like a remix stop motion of Godzilla Evolved versus Earth Garon, and it will be fun. It will be lots of fun. But hey, you know, you can see them. I think Earth Garon might be taller, kind of deal. Trying to make Godzilla stand upright. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Pretty fun. Pretty cool. So here's both of them. standing together side by side, seeing who's tallest or whatever. Hoo-ya, hoo-ha, hoo-ha, hoo-ha. So yeah, this action figure looks pretty fun. It looks great. It looks like it will give you like a fun time. And yeah, I'll be happy to do stop motions of Earth Garon. It seems pretty fun. He has a cool design. I'll be so happy. And yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, uh, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, ring all bells for all notifications. I think I said that wrong. Ring bells for all notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios. Bye.